Hello, how are you today, grade 5? I hope you are fine. Today now we're going to start with chapter 2, lesson 6. That's talking about divide by two-digit divisors. In the previous lesson, we learned how can we divide any number by one digit, like 743 divided by 9, 816 divided by 7. But today, we're going to learn how can we divide 743 by 19, by two digits, by 27, by 75. What can we do? Now, all of you, please focus with me, and I'll tell you now how can we divide any number into two digits divisor. Now, first, like if you have, as an example, number like such as 612. Divide by 52. The first step, you will look at the divisor. Where's my divisor here? It's 52, is it right?
Yes.
Yes, I will now estimate 52. I will say that it's 50. So in order to start dividing, I will estimate 52. I will say it's 50. Then I want you now to think about 612. I want you now to estimate it, and I want you to estimate the divisor and get a number that can be divided easily by 50. Like as an example, let's estimate it to 600. Well, repeat what I do. First, I estimate the divisor. Then I estimate the dividend. But when I estimate it, I think about a number that can easily divide it by 50. And I found that is 600. Then after that, let's divide the estimation here. 60 divided by 50, 1. 1 times 50, 50. Then subtract, I get 10. Then I get the 0 down. So what did I have now? I have 100. Then now, 100 divided by 50, it's 2. Is it right?
Yes.
Then 2 times 50, 100. Then, why did I make this step? Why I estimate? In order to start, or in order to take number 1, that's I use it in estimation. Okay, I will take number 1 and I will get it up here in order to start my problem. So I will repeat, I estimated, because sometimes I don't know how can I divide 61 into 52. It's hard. So I need to estimate. Okay, that's help me to know from which digit or from which number should I start. They told me now, if we have here, the answer was 12. So that means I can start now with number 1. Is it clear? Is it clear? Grade 5.
I didn't understand. I didn't understand.
Okay.
I didn't understand.
It's okay. It's okay. I will repeat it now. Here, what do I have? I need to divide 612 by 52. Okay? Now, sometimes you ask yourself, you don't know how many 52 and 61. It's hard. So in order to help this, I need to think about a way that helps me from which number should I start. So what can I do? I need to estimate. 52, when you want to estimate, underline the last digit. Is 2 give 5? Can 2 give 5? No, it's 1050. Can girls, grade 5, If you want to estimate 52, how it will be?
The 2 is from the full number, so it will not give 1 to the.
It will be 50. Bravo, that's it. Fine. The second one. Now go to the 6 here. Look at the number 1 that's before 6. When you estimate it, what you will get here? 612. When you estimate it, what you will get? 600. Yes, that's it. And for this, the first step, is it clear?
Clear.
Okay, then now I will divide 600 by 50. Now, 60 divided by 10. 60 divided by 50, sorry. 1. Then 1 times 50. 50. Then 0 minus 0, 0, and 6 minus 5, 1. So the remainder is 10. Then I will call this 0 down. Then 100 divided by 50. It's 2. So 2 times 50 is 100. For this step now, did you understand it?
Yes.
Okay, for this one now here, as I told you, I estimate. Then now, after that, why I estimated? Because when I look at 612 divided by 52, I cannot know from what is the number that, or what is the factor that when I multiply it by 52, I get 61 or 612. But why I estimate, I can take the number 1 and take it here to start my problem, to start solving. Okay, after I estimated, I took a number, which is number 1 here. I took it and write it in the problem in order to what? To start my division. Then after that, now I will start dividing. I will say 1 times 2, it's 2. And 1 times 5, it's 5. Then this is 11, and this is 5. Then 11 minus 2, 9. And 5 minus 5, 0. Then next, what I have to do, I will call down number 2. 92 divided by 52. How many 52 in 92? You have only 1. Is it right? Now then, so 1 times 2, it's 2. And 1 times 5, it's 5. Then let's subtract it here. 2 minus 2 is 0. 9 minus 5 is 4. So now that's it. So my answer is 11, remainder 40. That's it.
We go on and put it. We have a buffer and start dividing.
Sorry?
I'm saying that when you have a problem of you don't like finding what is multiplied by mistake or like 61, we'll make one and put it and then start dividing. Then we'll get the answer.
Yes, here I mean that I need to estimate in order to see from which number should I start. They told me that you have to start from number 1. Okay? I will take this number 1 and I put it here. We start. Is it clear?
Yes.
Let's take another example now. Now, 560 divided by 18. First of all, what you have to do, we have to estimate. 18, I will estimate it to be as 20.
Teacher, page 1.
Page 119. So now, the 18, I will estimate it to be as 20. And then 560. 560. I need now to estimate it. Here, I estimate 19. I said it's 20. And the 560, how can I estimate it? Look at number 5. What's the number before 5? 6, is it right?
No.
Can 6 give 5? It will be 600 because the 6 give 5. Then next, 600 divided by 20. Let's do it here. 60 divided by 20. 3. 3 times 20. 3 times 0. 0. 3 times 2. 6. Then we'll now talk number 0 down. 0 over 20. Here, since I called 0, so I have to put it up. So 0 times 20, 0. So now, what is the division? Or what is the quotient of dividing 600 by 20? It's 20. So that means the first digit of the quotient will be what? Will be 3. Here, the number that I have to start with it is number 3. So now I will start from here. 3 times 8, 24. 3 times 1, 3 plus 2, 5. When I subtract, 6 minus 4 is 2. Then I will call down 20. Is it clear?
Yes.
Then 20 over 18. 1. Thank you. 1 times 18. It's 18. So what is the answer now will be? 31. The answer is 31 and the remainder is
2. Teacher, I'm not done.
It is the final answer. It's here. It's already written.
Teacher, that means, teacher, that teacher, I'm not done.
1 minute.
Why is it teacher 0 minus 8? Is sorry, I have been confused.
That's right.
Okay, done, teacher. Can I ask you a question?
Yes, sure.
Always the number when you estimate and you get the answer. The first number you take it. I think that from the first it is only 1. Put only 1. Don't put any number. So it means like that every number when you estimate and get the answer of it, first number, get it, and you make the problem, solve the problem with it.
Yeah, if you get the first number, you get it, you will start the problem with it.
Okay, teacher.
And then now, after you, did you see, as you see here, the 31, when you estimate it, okay, it will be 30. That means it can help you then when you finish solving the problem, that the answer, when you estimate it, it will be 30 as the one that you estimated before.
Okay.
Did you finish writing?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Now here, every Wednesday, Mr. Yates orders fruit. He has set aside 1,250 to purchase Valencia oranges. Each box of Valencia oranges cost $41. How many boxes of Valencia orange can Mr. Yates purchase? So now, what did happen here? He put $1,250 in his bag as an example to buy orange. When he go to the supermarket, he told them that each box of orange costs 41, but he has 1,250. So how many boxes of orange he can buy? What can we do? Shall we divide or we'll multiply?
Divide.
Divide, thank you.
Divide.
Now here, 1,250 divide by 41. I want you now to estimate 41.
Okay, 41, it will be 40 because the one is a poor number, so it cannot give a full one. So it will be 40 as it.
40. Okay, thank you. So this is 40.
Okay.
Then, now I want you now, okay, think now. You have to think about out of the box. How can I estimate 1,250? Okay, that can be mentally divided by 40.
I didn't understand your question.
Okay, how can I estimate 1,250? Okay, and put the answer here. That mentally can be divided by 40. Yani like 40 times 1, 40. 40 times 2, 80. 40 times 3, 1,000. 120, sorry. Like 40, 80. 40 times 4, 160. Okay? Now, I want you now to think like this. I want to see a number that mentally can be divided by 40 and near to 1,250.
I guess it will be 3 or 30.
No, I mean like this number, 1,250. I want you to estimate it.
It will be 1,000.
Okay, it will be 1,000, but I want you to think about a number that can easily divide by 40. 1,000 not easily divide by 40. Yeah, think about it like 40 times 10, like, okay, another way, like this. 40 times 10 is 400. 40 times 20, 800. 40 times 30, 1,200. 40 times 40, 1,600. Now, I want you now to look at 1,250. Where is it?
Yes.
It's between these two numbers. Is it right?
Yes.
Yes. So now, if I want to estimate 1,250, I will use 1,200. That means I can easily mentally divide it by 40.
Okay.
Okay. Then next. Yes.
The teacher, you estimated or you didn't?
Here you use the compatible numbers. Now next, if you don't see, girls, if you don't want to use the estimation, if you want to start dividing without the estimation way, you can. If you see like 125, how many 41 in 125? You can say it's a 3. You can without an estimation way. But sometimes the estimation help you from where should you start.
Yes.
Okay. Now next. So here it's already written that they told me that 125 divided by 41, it's a 3.
It's right 1,200.
Sorry?
You divide by
1,000. Aywa, divide by 40. What's the answer? It's 30. That means I took the number 3 and start from here. Then now next. Three times 1. Miss, could you please raise your voice?
You want to read?
No. Now, up to now, girls. Do you have any question? Now next time. Now 3 times 1.
3 times 1 equals 3.
3 times 4. 12. Then let's subtract. 5 minus 3.
5 minus 3 equals 2.
Equals 2. 2 minus 2.
0.
0. And 1 minus 1. 0. Then next, what I have to do next now?
0 down.
You will call 0 down. Thank you. Then now 20 divide by 41. First I put the we put the 0 down. Now then 20 divided by 41. Can I? No. And since I call a 0, I call a number from the dividend and cannot be divided by 41, I should add 0 up. Then 0 times 41 is 0. And the remainder here is 20. Did you understand it now?
Yes, but teacher, why will you divide, like when you say to what is the like divided, I can divide by 41 divided 20. It can be equal to 20, like because it's 2 multiplied to equal 4.
Sorry, miss. Oh, here, what did you mean here? 1,200?
No, I mean like when you say we can make 41 divided or 40 divided by 20, we can like do equals 20 because 2 multiplied 2 equals 4. So it will be like 20 times 20 equals 4. Yes.
No, here you have to divide 20 by 41.
Oh, yes. Okay, thank you, teacher.
Yeah. Now then, after you divide, you have to check your answer. How can I check your answer? I have to multiply 30 by 41.
40.
Then I get the answer. 1 times 0, 0. 1 times 3, 3. Then I go now to multiply the tens. When I multiply the tens, I should add 0 here. Then 4 times 0, 0. And 4 times 3, 12. Then I will add 0, 3, 2, 1.
Okay.
Then I will add the remainder.
Add 20.
20. Thank you.
So it will be equal to
1,250.
It will be 150.
Yes, that's it.
Teacher, can you help me?
Yes, I can. Now, do you have any question here?
No.
So with the money that Mr. Yates have, how many boxes of orange can he buy?
30 remaining for 20?
30. We can say only 30.
Okay.
Take the whole number only. Now, did you finish writing?
Yes, that is it.
Okay. Now, here, I want now in A, I want you to divide 756 by 63. Okay? Now, without estimation now. Yeah, let's try.
No.
What's Hunada?
Yes.
Yes,
No,
Hunada.
I am gonna.
Okay, first Hunada, then we will see another one. Yes, Hunada. Okay. 75 divided by 63. First of all, as you know before, you start with 7. Can you divide 7 into 63? No.
No.
Then
No, of course.
75.
Wait, but 75.
Okay, then 75 divided by 63.
75 divided by equal 1.
1.
And then we will 1 multiply 3 equals 3, and 1 multiply 6 equals 6.
Thank you.
Then we'll find.
Then now
5
we
minus,
will subtract. Yes.
5 minus 3 equal 2, and 7 minus 6 equal 1.
Thank you.
The answer will be 2. Then
the next what you have to do?
Then the next step, we will let the 6 down. And then what is the number multiplied by 63 equal 126? Or how many? Maybe 2?
Maybe, yeah, thank you. It's 2. 2 times
2?
3.
2 times 3 equals 6, and 2 times 6 equals 18.
Yeah, 2 times 6, 12.
Okay, it will then minus, so we subtract 6 minus 6 equals 0, 0, 0. Okay, then that is the answer.
That's the answer. So here the quotient is it wrong? Thank you, Hunada.
If you want to check our answer, we multiply.
Yeah, if you want to check, you will multiply. Thank you. You will multiply 12 by 63.
Yes.
And you will get 756. Now,
56.
B, who want to help me?
I'm Muna.
Yes, Muna.
I'm Jana.
Then Jilan. Okay, Muna. 4,692 divided by 22. Can you divide 4 into 22?
No.
No. 46?
Yes.
Yes. How many 22 and 46? We have 2. Thank you. 2 times 2.
44.
Bravo. 2 times 2, 2 and 44. Then 6 times 4.
2.
2. And 4 times 4, sorry, 4 minus 4, 0.
0.
Then next.
We'll put the 9 down.
All 9.
We
Bravo.
will put that
92 divided by 22. It's 1.
1.
1 times 2. 2.
1 times 2, 2.
And 1 times 2.
2.
2.
22. 7.
7. Thank you. The next.
7 divided
What do you will call now? You will call
the 2.
2. 72 divided by 22.
3.
3. Thank you. 3 times 2.
66.
66. Thank you. Then next.
It will be 6 and 12. 6.
12 minus 6. 6 and 0. Thank you. So what is the answer here? 213 and the remainder is 6. Thank you.
6. Welcome.
Is it clear?
So what that mean?
Did you finish writing?
Yeah. I didn't. Oh, that is so easy. Yeah, teacher, I finished.
Okay. Now let's go to the next page. Now,
Finish.
620 divided by 28. How many 28 in 62? Yes, Jilan.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, Jilan. Here you have 28. How many 20? Yeah.
62 divided by 28 is, let's say, 2.
2. Okay. 2 times 8.
2 times 8 is 56.
2 times 8, 16. 2 times 2 is 4 plus 1, 5. Then next, 12 minus 2. This is, oh, then 62 minus 56.
The 2 will be 12 and the 6 will be 5. So we're going to have 6.
6, thank you. Then next, what you have to do?
Then we're going to bring down the 0.
Bravo. 60 over 28.
And 60, 28. It's 2.
It's 2, thank you. 2 times 8.
2 times 8 is 56 because we're already in
Bravo.
that.
We are, thank you. 56. Then
So
now,
then minus
is
the- 0 will be 10, 6 will be 5, 10 minus 6 is 4.
the remainder here is 4. Thank you. So here the quotient
So
is 22.
2 are 4.
Remainder is 4. Thank you. Now, who wants to solve number 2, the last one? Yes, girls, who wants to solve number 2?
Can I answer again? I am one of.
No.
That is so easy.
The others, miss. I want other girls. Who want to answer?
me and Dina.
Yes, Dina. Here, 842 divide by 46. Uh, 64. How many 84 and 64 and how many 64 and 84?
64 multiply it.
How many 64 and 84? 2, 1, is it right?
Yes.
Okay, then 1 times 4. 4.
1
And
times
1 times 4.
Multiply 6.
Bravo. Then next. What you have to do now?
8 minus 6 to 4.
And 4 minus 4?
4 minus 4, 0.
0. Thank you. Then next, what you have to do?
We have to let the 2 down.
Bravo. We will call number 2. Then 202 divide by 64. Or how many 64 in 202? Let's try 3. Can we try 3?
Teacher, what's it again?
Let's try number 3.
Yeah.
Okay. 3 times 4.
3 times 4.
12. 3 times 6.
3 times 6. Where's teacher? 3.
Without calculator. Without calculator. 18 plus 1.
1 teacher.
19.
3, 6.
Then 2 minus 2.
2 minus 2, 0.
And 20 minus 19.
20 minus 19, 1.
So what's the answer will be? 13, and the remainder is?
The remainder is 10.
Remainder is 10. Thank you. That's it. Tomorrow, inshallah, we will continue solving some questions from the book.
Have a nice